Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I think we can have a much bigger round of applause because tonight is about positivity and it's about celebrating the fantastic work done by the Sachari Foundation. Can we have a huge round of applause for Bija? Thank you so much for those wonderful words. And for enlightening us about all the fantastic work you do, supporting everybody, right from children to senior citizens, and possibly everything you can do. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the reason we're here tonight is to celebrate something very special. In fact, it's to celebrate these very women, these eclectic women who come together from different walks of society to make a positive difference. I'm sure you agree that they're doing that, right? No, Mumbai, you're far too quiet. I'm sure you agree that they're doing a wonderful job with that. And that's precisely why our man of the moment decided to do a little something for them too. Now, last year, he celebrated 25 years of film styling and 10 years to his very own label. Now, considering he doesn't look a day over 30, he must be a child prodigy, according to me. Now, for the last 4 years, we all know that his work has been tremendously inspired by Kashmir. So much so that he had employed over 200 craftsmen to come up with the demand of work that he was, that people wanted from him. Not only that, what about his world-renowned Mijwa collection, where thanks to him, over 150 women were employed to help him create those works of art. I think that does deserve a round of applause, does it not, ladies and gentlemen? But the thing is, he's a man who's never satisfied. He is constantly reinventing himself, constantly pushing himself, which is why in his first show of 2016, he's stepping out of his comfort zone. Tonight is an ode to Make in India, work that is much more organic, traditional, weaves, cottons, bandhanis, badla, mirror work, the kind of work that you've never ever seen him do, and thanks to which weavers in Benares and craftsmen in Gujarat will be inundated by demands from him to keep up with the new collection. Ladies and gentlemen, as he keeps on breaking barriers, I'm so proud to introduce my very dear friend and the man who has changed the face of Indian fashion both on and off screen. Presenting, especially for you tonight, the Regal Threads by the one and only Manish Malhotra.
as you know कि मैंने कश्मीर के साथ बहुत काम किया है. 4 साल हो गए कश्मीर के साथ काम करते करते. And जब वो फिल्म रॉकस्टार के साथ शुरू किया था. And then Mijwa is an NGO that we support and वहाँ पे 40 women workers आज 200 हो गए हैं. And 2016 is a year for Ode to Make in India. So there's mirror work, there is Banarsi brocade, there is a lot of bandhani, which I want to promote. There's a lot of Banarsi fabric. I was in Banaras and I met a lot of the weavers. I want to give them a lot more work than they have. And this is just a small step that you saw towards that. And this year there's going to be a lot more of Indian fabric from my side and my collections.
आपको कैसा लगा? आपको कैसा लगा? हमें देखते अच्छा लगा, हमें भी बहुत अच्छा लगा. It's an honor every time you Manish asks me at least to walk, and you can hold it for me. It's fine. So it's always lovely. Yeah? It's a pleasure to walk for him. So this was just another one of those lovely times. Yeah. Release हो गई. The video is released
this morning. Well, to shoot the song Pashmina, both me and Adi had to give up our Christmas and New Year's holidays. So we really worked hard for it. And I think now we're just really hoping that the response is good and that people like it. We really worked hard for it. We literally broke a few things and a few injuries, few bones were broken. But Bosco also has done a beautiful job, and it's amazing. And also to walk the ramp here again today for Manish is really fun. It's been a long time. It's been a long time. And of course, Manish is someone who I work with him mainly in films, but his work is always so spectacular. And after so many years, to see someone work with so much passion. I mean, the way he works is like he's still proving himself when he's the best that there is and so successful. And that is really inspiring to me, I think, personally. That's so sweet of you. Thank you. That really makes me feel that it was worth giving up all those holiday days. But yeah, I do, honestly, we did work really hard. I won't lie to you and say that, no, we just, it was a lot of hours of dance rehearsals, Adi, me, a lot of yelling, a lot of fighting, a lot of struggling. No, we really worked hard. And I think Bosco also and Gattu, the director, Abhishek, they really were out there to kind of, everyone just put their heart and soul into the song, and I really hope people, I hope people like it. It's a special song to me. No, that comes naturally. I mean, that's just like, yeah. I eat pizza in the morning, I eat pasta at night. I mean, no. You've hit the nail right on the head. Yes, I really have to work very hard to try and, keep, as you should as an actor. It is hard work, and Yasmin is such a dear person to me, and she's so helpful. I mean, without her, I really wouldn't be able to do that.
Well, मेरे लिए एक फीलिंग थी जब हम बनारस की बात कर रहे हैं, जब हम बात कर रहे हैं कि मेक इन इंडिया, तो मुझे लगा कि ये बेयर फीट चलना, मोगरे की खुशबू हो, हमारा एक बहुत ही वोवन फैब्रिक है एज अ रैम्प. ये आप देख रहे हैं, ये धागे हैं, इसलिए कलेक्शन को रीगल थ्रेड्स कहते हैं. एंड ये कलेक्शन, ये लुक थी कलेक्शन की. तो आदित्य से जब मैंने कहा सुबह कि आप ऐसा करेंगे, तो उन्होंने कहा मैं 100% करूँगा.
क्योंकि रियल लाइफ में मेरा टैटू नहीं है, तो when I got a chance to wear one, I said I'm just going to jump at it, so I'm going to keep this on for a few days. Manish, you have one on as well.
I could only manage one in all that working. मगर मैं एक बात जरूर कहना चाहूँगा, when it comes to regal threads and when it came to something, a collection which is Indian, I think for me Aditya Roy Kapur looks very regal. stylish, cool, and I just love his energy because मैं जब भी इनसे मिलता हूँ पार्टी में हो या कहीं भी हो वो बहुत relaxed और cool रहते हैं. कटरीना के साथ मैंने बहुत काम किया है and मैं बहुत सालों से जानता हूँ उन्हें. But I have seen her work hard, and she was beautiful, she is beautiful, and she'll always be beautiful. She's a very, very hard-working person. I love working with her. She's particular. We are both all about fits, so हम लोग हमेशा बहुत से fittings करते हैं. And look at her. I think she's stunning, and I'm very grateful and thankful कि जब मैंने उनसे कहा कि ये show करिए, they agreed and they said yes. So thank you.
Sorry? I don't think this is the right platform for this. This is a very special show which Manish has put together on behalf of an amazing charity which is doing really, really amazing work and supporting people whose lives and livelihood really depends on, basically literally what we're wearing. And I think let's keep it to that tonight. And I just personally want to say one more thing. Thank you so much to Manish for being a part of Fitur. He is a part of the Fitur family. He has, in a certain way, also been part of the film. And he's really, really been gracious to have us here tonight and host us here. So thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. It's been an honor.
Thank you.
We weren't able to go due to some various reasons. I'm not actually sure if we were supposed to go, but about the show getting off air, I just want to say for me it's a big regret that I wasn't able to go on the show. So I've personally missed that. I think Adi has
I was
gone
lucky.
on the
I went
show.
there once for another film for Dawat-e-Ishq. I got to go there, and it was a fun experience. You would have had fun.
Yeah, I'm really
went.
sad because
Yeah.
I never got to be on that show. But next time, whatever show he does next, he should call me first. I hope Kapur calls me first for whatever show he does next.
You want me to go alone?
Wherever the promotion team tells us to go, I think
shall
nowadays
go.
you just have to follow. It's kind of like you go there, okay, yes, we go there. So yeah, I think let's see where.
We'll call
let's
up
see-
UTV and ask them.
Yeah, let's see where it takes us.
We would
I
like
would
to
like to
promote
do
it
this
everywhere, anywhere. We're promoting it here also. We're promoting it while we're on the way to the airport. We're going to be promoting it everywhere. We're screaming it out of the car when we're like.
We should just, actually
Yeah.
just through the airport.
We get a tattoo on our forehead of Fitur. Yeah.
I'm very flattered you asked me that question. I'm not too sure if I'm the right person to comment on how challenging things are, but I think Ranveer is one of the most talented actors in the country, and I think he can do any role with complete and utter ease. And as far as Sanjay sir is concerned, I think everyone's going to be really, really happy to have him home.
अच्छा, actually आज मैंने पेपर नहीं पढ़ी तो I don't know what you're talking about. Well, I'm not well enough informed to make a completely like an informed point of view on this. It's quite a sensitive topic. So without having all the necessary kind of know-how, it's not right to just make a comment like that. Of course, as an artist, it's great if you have the complete freedom of expression, but censorship is also important. It's just about finding the right balance, which is, I think, not an easy thing to do. It is a constant struggle, and there's no perfect way to do it. So there's going to be a give and take, and there's going to be some people that think it's wrong or right, but the endeavor is to find the right balance, and I hope we're getting there.
So thank you so much, and I want to thank Sahachari Foundation because there are these wonderful women who come from great walks of life and have been supporting this various causes, whether it's for cancer patients, whether it's to help the weavers. And thank you so much. Beautiful Katrina, gorgeous Aditya, thank you so much for being here. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Into every camera one by one. So I'm just going to say Happy Republic Day. Okay, so hi, I'm Aditya Kapur and Happy Republic Day. Have a great day.
And I'm Katrina Kaif, and I would like to wish everyone a very happy Republic Day. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.
Hi, I'm Manish Malhotra, and it's our Republic Day. Yes, Happy Republic Day to everybody. Thank you so much for being here.